In this video you will learn how to run and set up OVP directly from Touch. OVP stands for Opus Validation Program. It defines automated routines to test the operational qualification, OQ, and the performance qualification, PQ, of a spectrometer. It also supports more specialized test routines, such as those required by various pharmacopoeias, including the European Pharmacopoeia 2224. In order to run and configure OVP tests, navigate to the Touch Settings menu via the gear wheel icon in the upper right corner. Then activate the Validation Center tab. Now you will see a list of all accessories registered in your OVP database. The currently active accessory is highlighted with a blue frame. At the top of each entry, you can see the full name of the accessory as well as the overall status indicator on the left side of the name. Red means that one or more tests have failed. Yellow means that one or more tests are no longer valid or have not yet been run. Below, the individual test routines are listed. First the OQ, then the PQ, and finally, if available, the pharmacopoeia tests. Each entry has its own status icon, expiry information, and a button on the right to start the respective test. When a test is manually triggered, the report can be accessed directly via the document icon. Furthermore, you can calibrate the laser wave number using the Measure LWN button. Starting a test is easy. Make sure to remove any samples and clean and dry the ATR crystal if necessary. Then simply click the respective button to start the test. After a few minutes, the result will appear and you can access the report via the document icon or the Open Report button. Starting from Touch version 7 and later, it is also possible to define the OVP settings by using the Setup button in the lower left corner of the accessory list. On the OVP Setup page, you can easily select or deselect entire test routines or individual subtests. By clicking the pen icon, you can define the validity duration of the respective test. When finished, click OK to accept the changes or Cancel to revert them. Now you know how to run and set up OVP tests from Touch.